Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan, and today I'm going to show you all how to draw Batman's car, the Batmobile. So get your favorite pencil and a piece of paper, and to draw this character we need to have this vehicle, we need to have the paper sideways, and we need to start with a series of light lines, and they need to be in certain sizes. So for the middle, we do one that's about an inch away and one that's about the size of a penny away, one that's really thin for like the side of the top, and one that's nearly close, as about the same size as that one, and one that's really thick for the main side of the car, about a ½ inch. I'm not saying it's the exact size, just take your time. You might need to get a closer look at something. And to start with we're drawing, the Batmobile we're drawing is the one from Batman the Animated Series. So we're going to start with this thing right here. This is where the driver's seat is. That's where Batman sits. So you just bring in one slightly angled line up here and one straight line here, and then you curve this up. And then we put another straight line up here. And then we put a straight line up here. That's the top of the driver's seat. Then you put an angled line right here. Like this. And then you're gonna put another lightly curved line here. This is the top of the cockpit. And the bar in the middle, so we just darken these sides and this side as well. Just like that. And there. That is the driver's seat, the cockpit. Batman sits right in there to drive the vehicle. And then we're going to darken the main hood of the vehicle. And then we are going to get the back side. They're going to have like these bat fins at the back. It's one of the things that indicates the Batmobile. It's got like bat-shaped fins on it. So we're going to put these triangles here. And get this side right here. And for the other one, you need to start here and then go down here so that it looks solid. And for the winged section, you're gonna draw it. It's gonna curve down right here. And this side will be like this. And then we're going to draw the grill of the Batmobile. So you're going to make this triangular shape on the bottom. And then for the grill on this side, you draw these 6 different kind of U shapes for the pipes of the grill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like that. And a similar thing on the other side, but you're not going to draw this shape. Instead, you're going to draw 6 U shapes, upside down U shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna define this side a little more. And then you're gonna define this side up here. This is the front of the hood of the Batmobile. And then you're gonna make another curve that like follows the shape. And another line like that right here. This side's going to be smaller, and this side's going to have more detail on it. Going to have this curve right here. And then we're going to draw a V shape that goes like this, that follows the shape of this, and it's going to get really thick. It's going to go from thin to thick right here. And then on the middle of it, there's going to be a small, tall rectangle separating. And then you're going to draw the actual grill. And it's going to have 4 different squares. Well, on this side, it's going to be like these S shapes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. And then you're going to draw the other side of the car. Then you're gonna keep going straight along the way. Then it's gonna curve up here. Then we'll get the other bat end that's similar to this part. And like I often say to my viewers, draw lightly at first, but when you find the lines you want, you beef them up with black lines. There's the other end. And then right here, this one's gonna have a lot more detail. Then you're gonna mold the shape. And then right here, you're going to draw the other side. It's the same as this thing, but you're gonna draw it from a different angle. So we will draw another straight line, followed by a similar curve. All right. Now what we're going to do next is get the bottom side of the vehicle and it's going to follow the shape of this side. And it's going to curve out like this. And then right below it, there's a very small rectangle. This is the headlight of the car that allows Batman to see at night when he's driving through the streets of Gotham. And then, now we're gonna draw the fun part, the wheels. So you make these ovals. Usually they're circles, but if it was the sides, they would be. But this is a 3/4 view, so it's gonna be an oval. So we just draw one big oval. That goes like this. And then you're going to draw another oval that's slightly smaller for the inside of the wheel, except make sure the bottom side's thin and the top side is a little thicker, like so. And then you're going to draw like a half circle underneath it for the axle of the wheel. And then you draw these straight lines that go around it to give it some definition. And these squares below it and around the axle. Then you can shade those in if you want. And now we got to do the same thing. Just need to draw a straight line that goes across like this. Then you're going to draw another oval, a little bit tilted. So we'll get that oval. And we should also define the lower side of the vehicle. And get these scalloped sides of the right fin that go like this. And then you're going to draw another similar thing, another oval. And remember, thin to thick from bottom to top. And then you draw another axle and then two lines from the bottom. And these squares that go around it, color those in. And now, what you can also do for fun is you can put speed lines on it to make it look like it's driving very fast. To make it look like it's going through the streets of Gotham. Maybe put some on the wheel too. Then you can put a little shadow on the lower edge and a little underneath the Batmobile. And put some on front too. And use the side of your pencil, like I always say. Makes it look reflective. That's what I meant. Just do it a little more. And now, what you can also do is you can maybe put color in a little bit of the windshield to make it look like glass, except leave some white spots to create a nice shiny highlight. And the same thing with the other side of the car. And there it is, my friend. You have the Batmobile. I hope you had fun. If you feel like you did good, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.